This month, Amazon makes Shiba Inu a $2 juggernaut. Investors anticipated that the last 2 weeks of Shiba Inu prices decline would be a correction before a rally. But according to a crucial sign, it appears that the meme coin may be headed in the direction of disappointing its owners. This video will discuss how Amazon this month turned the Shiba Inu into a $2 giant, as reported by Shib News. If you want to read our most recent articles on Shiba Inu price forecasts and professional analysis, don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel. Let's start the video now without further ado. Shiba Inu pricing is currently selling at zero. The downtrend line that $68 has been locked under for the majority of March was not successfully broken. The downtrend line initially appeared when the meme currency re-entered the charts after testing the resistance of the 100-day exponential moving average. The relative strength index, on the other hand, has been going upward for the same time period. The indicator has been heading upward toward the neutral line at 50.0 after rising from the oversold region under 30.0, producing an uptrend line. The emergence of a potential hidden bearish divergence is highlighted when the price action and RSI movement are combined. Shiba Inu prices may decrease during the following few trading sessions if this pattern holds. The meme coin would then drop to crucial support at $0.979, representing a 2-month low for the altcoin. Losing this support would further drive Shib to its 2022 December lows, representing a 25% drop in value for the cryptocurrency. For the investors who recently amassed more than 43 trillion Shib tokens in a week, this would prove to be severely loss-bearing. The supply on exchanges shows a fall of about $475.5 million worth of tokens. In general, a decrease in supply signals the beginning of a trend toward short-term accumulation. This reduction may possibly be related to Shib holders shifting their tokens from exchanges to cold wallets. The likelihood of the same thing happening, however, is slim given that such a decrease went unnoticed even after FTX fell 4 months ago. Shiba Inu owners' move is unexpected given that the network experienced its worst losses since June 2021. Earlier this week, losses totaling over 575 million Shib, or less than $62,000, were highlighted by the total coins exchanged on the chain. However, the chain entails considerable losses. Therefore, low-risk Shib investors would increase the losses experienced by the entire network if the bearish divergence materializes and the price of Shiba Inu drops until December 2022. The group responsible for Shiba Inu's latest Layer 2 scaling solution claims that the protocol seeks to deliver efficient and inexpensive transactions. Shibarium, which debuted its beta version earlier this month, is planning to achieve ultimate decentralization by developing a protocol that costs little, if not no, transaction fees, according to new public documents. Satoshi Kazama, the creator of Shiba Inu Li, claims that Shibarium would provide minimal transfer fees for every project developed on the Layer 2 protocol. He points out that the platform's stated purpose is to process transactions in seconds for pennies or less, earning it the moniker the blockchain of the people. ARM aims to evolve into a scalable, transparent, and secure blockchain that serves as the foundation for creating new initiatives. The creation and trade of digital assets are made secure and transparent by the blockchain. Additionally, it acts as a foundation for the creation of dApps, or decentralized applications. Shib, the Metaverse, Shibarium, Shiba Eternity, as well as numerous additional initiatives, platforms, and services offered by the larger Shiba Inu community. The public documentation also sheds more light on the burning process of Shibarium. According to the document, the burn mechanism will activate once the protocol has accumulated a certain amount of bone. Shibaswap. When a user conducts a transaction on the network, this token will be used to pay the gas costs on Shibarium. On Shibarium, the base charge is locked while the validator receives the priority fee. 30% of this base cost will be set aside for network maintenance, with the remaining 70% being burned. Users can begin the burn process with Shibarium once a specific amount of bone, $25,000, has gathered in the burn contract. The price of Shiba Inu has decreased slightly during the last day to $0.11. Shiba Inu prices have fallen by 0.5% in the last day, falling to $54 on a day when the market as a whole has barely moved. Compared to its 30-day low of $0.973, its current price has increased by 8%, and the meme token has increased by a remarkable 30% since the year's beginning. The Shibarium Layer 2 network's beta launch was completed earlier this month, and Shib is poised to capitalize on that growth in the upcoming weeks, especially when the L2 has its full public launch. Shib's indicators point to a potential upcoming rally, since both its 30-day moving average and relative strength index have just fallen. Its RSI had increased to 40 after falling to oversold levels earlier in the month and nearing 30. Similar to this, the altcoin will likely have a bounce when its 30-day average crosses below its 200-day average. $0.11 is now a significant barrier for Shib, which it has attempted to cross a few times in the previous 2 weeks without success. More advances are expected to follow if it can successfully cross this level, but Shib will likely need the broader market to also make a rebound at the same time. Nevertheless, Shibarium's continued deployment, which is currently live in beta form, may indicate that the token experiences additional benefits shortly, particularly when the Layer 2 network launches fully to the general public. Regarding Shibarium, there are 2 factors that are very positive. One is technological, and the other is economic. First, the Layer 2 network will reduce transaction costs and expand Shiba Inu's capacity, strengthening decentralization and security. Second, by destroying 70% of the base transaction fee, the launch of the L2 will further accelerate Shiba Inu's burn rate. In other words, Shibarium will cause a shortage of Shib, which will increase relative demand and the price of the coin. Shiba Inu's ecosystem and its apps will see an increase in users as a result of Shibarium's efficiency improvements, which will have a favorable influence on burning and the price of Shib. As a result, over the course of the year, Shib's price may gradually increase. This process will be aided by the introduction of Shib, the metaverse. In the latter, users can buy, explore, and trade 100,595 NFT-based lands, as well as a substantial number of in-game objects in a virtual world with the Shiba Inu motif. The platform's creators have high hopes for it. According to its official website, it will be the convergence of gaming, business, and entertainment in the future. When combined with Shibarium, it would signal a significant increase in demand for Shib, which might shift up a gear and reach new heights. Shib will most certainly reach between $0.05 and $0 and 2 cents on the back of Shibarium alone, and it may even reach $0 and 1 cent by the end of 2023, depending on when Shib enters the metaverse. Amazon's entry into the NFT and Web3 markets is widely awaited. According to sources, the internet behemoth is getting ready to announce its new venture next month. According to sources, some 15 collections are anticipated to be made accessible starting on March 24 under the Amazon Digital Marketplace page. At launch, this tab would only be accessible to U.S. citizens, but over time, it will become accessible to everyone else, even those in Europe. According to reports, 2 delays in the launch have occurred as a result of recent industry developments, including the demise of FTX. Notably, Amazon's planned Web3 initiative is not open source, which means that only authorized individuals may view its software code. According to the article, NFTs may only be bought with a credit card and an Amazon account. According to the article, which cited a source close to the situation, Amazon's technical decision was a private blockchain that was incompatible with the Ethereum virtual machine. It will be necessary to use a bridge for developers that want to make their NFTs accessible on Amazon's blockchain. The date is over now. To view our most recent content, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel.